Hi there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Monopoly Go free dice rolls. Let's get started. Once you reach your web browser, the first thing that you want to do is type in spacetweak.com and then press enter. You will then be greeted by this page which says Space Tweak, search for games or apps. And the first game that you'll notice at the top is Monopoly Go. So we're going to press on that. And as it says there, Monopoly Go tool. So we're going to go to the bottom and then press enter. So now it says Monopoly Go online tool, account information. So select your platform. So right now I'm using an Android, so I'm going to press on that. Enter your user ID. So I'll type in 894215328 and then press connect. Connecting to user ID on Android. Then it will say amounts of resources, amounts of roles, and amounts of money. So I'm going to use these numbers. And then you have to search on private proxy and then anti-ban script. And then at the bottom with the purple button, you're going to press on generate. Now it says manual verification. To prevent robot abuse of our generator, you are required to complete manual device version verification by clicking the button below. So under that, we're going to press on the checkbox next to I'm not a robot. Now it'll say, please take a few minutes to complete the verification process. So now beneath that, there are like multiple apps and games that you can download and then you have to use for a couple of seconds. So right now you need to download about 2. And then once you're done, you go back to the website and you should be verified. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.